Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Chicken Dip. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of cooked shredded chicken, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of Frank's Red Hot Original Buffalo Wing Sauce, 1/2 cup of ranch dressing, and 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine the softened 8 ounces of cream cheese with 1/2 cup of ranch dressing. Mix these together until they are smooth and well combined. Then, add the 2 cups of shredded chicken and 1/2 cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce. Stir everything until all ingredients are evenly distributed, creating a delicious base for your dip. Once your dip mixture is ready, transfer it into a 9-inch by 9-inch baking dish. Spread it out evenly to ensure consistent heating. Next, sprinkle the remaining 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese over the top. This will create a wonderful golden crust. Bake the dip in your preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until it's bubbly and the cheese is melted and lightly browned. Your Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Chicken Dip is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm with your favorite dippers like celery sticks, carrot sticks, or sturdy tortilla chips. For an extra touch, you can garnish with some chopped green onions or a little extra hot sauce. This dip is perfect for parties or a cozy night in. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.